Hi everyone, my name's Josh, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to talk about the new Graco Contractor PC compact gun. Okay, so here it is. This is the new PC compact gun, and I must say when I first saw it I wasn't 100% convinced. I thought that doesn't look very comfortable, that doesn't look like it's going to fit in my hand very well. But now we've got some in, I've realised that I should have had a bit more confidence in Graco, and they don't often get it wrong, and this gun is definitely no exception. It feels great in your hand, even if you're a larger gentleman just like myself. The gun's available in two options. So one is the gun on its own just like this, and the other is exactly the same gun but with a 1/8 of an inch 1.4 metre long whip hose, which is super flexible and allows you to get into some seriously tight gaps. Both options come with the same Rack-X LP517 spray tip, blue Rack-X guard and a 60 mesh filter to suit, which is going to be really good for your emulsion work. As a launch promotion, we're offering the gun with the whip hose for the same price as the gun on its own, so effectively giving you the whip hose for nothing. But if you want one, don't hang around, as it's a launch promo and won't last forever. And to thank you all for your support with our YouTube channel, we're giving away one of these guns and a whip hose to one lucky subscriber. All you have to do to enter is to subscribe to the channel and comment in the comment section below this video saying you've subscribed. If you haven't got a YouTube account, it takes 2 minutes to set up and it's completely free of charge. So if you go for the gun and the whip hose together, it comes with everything you need to get spraying, and the whip hose comes with a female fitting on one end and a male fitting on the other end, so it'll fit straight onto your standard 1/4 inch hose. The compact gun has pretty much all the same features as the Contractor PC gun, which came out just under a year ago. So it has the same quick release needle cartridge in there, so I'll show you how we replace that. So we just take the guard off the front of the gun, push these two buttons on the side of the trigger and pull the trigger up, then unscrew from the front of the gun. So the only thing we've noticed that's different between the compact and the standard gun is we've actually got flats on this cartridge here, so easier to take off if you've got a spanner. So take it out, replace it with a new cartridge, put it back in reverse order, tighten that back up, trigger back down, they will click out, then guard back on the front. The filter in the handle of the Contractor PC standard is a 60 mesh filter, and it's changed in exactly the same way as in the Contractor PC gun, but obviously it's a slightly different filter because our handle is slightly shorter, so it needs to be a shorter filter as well. So I'll put the part numbers of the alternative filters with different mesh sizes on the screen here, and you can choose there if you wanted to get yourself some spares. So to replace the filter we do exactly the same thing, so unclip the guard there, and then untwist the handle, wind that all the way out, and that's our filter there. So 60 mesh is standard, so we can replace that for whatever size we like. Put it back into the gun, wind it back in, and reconnect our guard, and it's as easy as that. The trigger lock on the gun works in exactly the same way as well, so all you have to do is simply flick it down like that. And the compact also has the same integrated swivel into the bottom of the gun, so you can move the gun around easily. As I said, we're giving one of these guns away, so make sure you subscribe to the channel to be in with a chance of winning, and if you did want one, make sure you're quick and take advantage of the launch promotion and get yourself a free whip hose. Well, I hope this video has been useful, and I'll put links in the description below for these guns, so if you wanted to find out a bit more, you can check them out there. If you've liked the video and found it helpful, then please hit the thumbs up icon, and if you want to find out more and get access to exclusive offers, then please subscribe to the channel, and also hit the notification bell so you get a little notification when we upload a new video. That way you aren't going to miss out on any new offers or content. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.